If you're looking for a weighted vest to invest in that beats all the rest without feeling like a pest, this vest. Good. Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out ONEONE Manufacturing's weighted vest. ONEONE is a fitness equipment manufacturer based in Ontario, Canada. Their name comes from the idea that what you put into something is what you're going to get out of. If you put in a solid effort, you're going to get solid results, and ONEONE gives you the tools to get those results. Not only do they live the mantra by testing all their equipment and making sure it's up to snuff, but they actually take it literally by using high quality, locally sourced materials for all of their products. Today we have their weighted vest, as I mentioned before. This vest actually differs quite a bit from some of the other weighted vests that you will find on the market. The main one being with the actual weight distribution in the vest. So there are 2 plates on the front and 2 plates on the back. They split it down the middle to allow for a little bit more mobility, and then they cover the plates in foam. The idea is to have, instead of just one solid piece, 2 solid pieces, opening up the range of motion, since you kind of have a hinge in the middle and can move around a little bit more. The plates can do a better job of contouring to your body instead of just having a flat, solid piece. Free range of motion. They're all about freedom up there in Canada, and that's an American guarantee. Needless to say, if you are wearing a weighted vest in the first place, chances are you're going to be doing a lot of high mobility movements with it on. Running, push-ups, pull-ups, a lot of body weight stuff. So having that extra range of motion is a huge bonus. You're going to want as much mobility as you can and to be unrestricted as much as possible. In regards to the closed cell foam that's surrounding the actual weights themselves, this actually offers a buffer between the vest and the actual weights themselves, so you get less bounce when you're moving around. So when you're actually on a run or just doing burpees or quick movements, you don't feel as much bounce from the weights in the vest. This vest is water resistant, which is a huge plus. Again, since you're doing bodyweight workouts, most likely, or going on runs, things of that nature, chances are you're going to be outside at least a portion of the time. So if it is raining or misting, you don't have to actually worry if this thing is going to get ruined from little water. And of course, fit is also a huge important factor of a weighted vest. This in particular is extremely well fitting, mainly because it has so many features where it can be micro adjusted. On top of having these little clips right here, it does have a Velcro enclosure on either side, so you can really make the perfect fits and adjustments to it. Even on the shoulder straps, you can really make sure it's just one cohesive piece on you, and there's no movement or sliding when you're, moving around. And it's the adjustability of this vest itself that makes it just so comfortable. Everyone's different, everyone has their preferences. This vest allows for your preferences to actually be honored. I did get a chance to try it on, do a couple of push-ups and pull-ups and just various movements, squats, and it felt great. Like it barely was on. I mean, it's a 20-pound vest, so it is, I felt it. But beyond that, really comfy. Besides the 20 pounds. It's extremely easy to strap on and take off. Doesn't take long at all. It's not a huge process. And when it's actually on, it is snugly on. Lastly, ONEONE's weighted vest comes in 3 colors: olive, which we have here, black, and a light camo. And beyond the weighted vest, ONEONE has a ton of other products for you to round out your home gym perfectly. Although they don't offer at the moment, ONEONE is planning to add additional weights available for purchase, so you can add on more weight to your vest. 20 pounds isn't enough for you. 20 pounds is a lot. Seriously, this thing is more than it seems. That's it for our first look of ONEONE Manufacturing's weighted vest. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Get on that. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.